On December 13, 2009, a new railway began operation in the country where railways first evolved. The Class 395 railcar service operates on this railway line.
They're going to make a huge difference to people's daily commuting lives. So Ashford, which is on our old service, more than an hour and 20 minutes from London, will just be 37 minutes on the high-speed train. So they're going to make a huge difference to people's working lives and also make a huge difference to the economy in Kent, which is the region that they are operating in.
People in the UK place great expectations on the Class 395, and the trains running on this line are the latest cutting-edge Hitachi high-speed railcars. The Class 395 railcars are the first super high-speed trains in the UK, running 109 kilometres from Dover to St Pancras Station in London. The Hitachi Group is a total railway system integrator, able to respond to all railway-related projects. It manufactures a wide range of railcars, including the Shinkansen Super Express trains, and develops ticket issuing systems and operation control and signaling systems. In 2005, Hitachi was awarded a contract for the manufacture and maintenance of 29 six-car trains, comprising a total of 174 railcars. And now, this system has come into operation.
やはり海外に出る場合ですね、やはり海外の規格、基準、あるいは海外のインフラにどのように合わせてやっていくかというのはグローバルの課題でありまして、この本、CTRL プロジェクトはまさにその最初のプロジェクトでありまして、今日12月14日無事開業式典をやれたということでですね、非常に我々の鉄道事業の海外侵略進出にとってですね、価値あるプロジェクトだというふうに思っています。
Kasado Works in Kudamatsu City, Yamaguchi Prefecture. This is the railcar manufacturing center of the Hitachi Group. June 2005, Class 395 railcar design work began at the Kasado Works. Railcar manufacturing began from January 2007. By using a lightweight, robust double-skin aluminum structure, it is possible to attain high operational speeds of up to 225 kilometers per hour. The Hitachi Group utilizes the latest manufacturing technology to ensure safety, reliability, and comfort. Hitachi employs universal design at all its plants to make its products easy to use for everybody. The first railcar trains were subjected to rigorous inspections to ensure they meet UK specifications, and they were shipped to England in June 2007. Then, from October 2007, test running trials were carried out for 25 months, and meticulous checks were made on every aspect.
設計段階においてはですね、ヨーロッパ規格に我々の設計が合っているかというようなことをいちいち証明しなければなりませんので、設計と同時進行的にそういう書類も準備しなきゃいけないということで非常に苦労いたしました。それから今回日立にとっては初めて、しかも海外で保守事業をやるということがございまして、スペアパーツの準備の仕方だとかですね、それからマニュアルの作成の仕方と、もう初めての経験するものがたくさんございまして、非常に苦労して、保守の開業にこぎつけたということがございます。
December 13th, 2009. This was the day on which the long-awaited Class 395 railcar services commenced. The first train departed from Ashford International Station just before dawn. and here it arrives at St. Pancras Station in London, the opening ceremony venue. The first train arrived safely at St. Pancras Station, and the opening ceremony for the Class 395 railcar service was attended by British government officials, including the Prime Minister and the Transport Secretary, and people connected with the project from the UK and Japan.
We very much enjoyed working with Hitachi, and in the future we work with Hitachi as well, because as I said, they maintain these trains, they've also manufactured them for them. So our partnership with Hitachi, which will deliver reliable, safe, punctual trains, is very important to the future of our business, because our customers expect their trains to run on time, they expect the trains to be comfortable and clean, and Hitachi are doing all those things for us and have a very big impact on the success of our business for the future.
今回感じたことはですね、これだけ大きなプロジェクトを完遂するにはですね、もちろん技術というのは重要なんですけれども、技術だけでやっぱり不十分でございまして、ヨーロッパの部品をまとめて一つの車両にするシステムインテグレーションの力、あるいはプロジェクトを契約通り行うというプロジェクトマネジメントの力というものが重要だということを痛感いたしました。英国にチャレンジすることによってですね、ローカルの人間と日立の人間が一緒になってですね、日立の潜在的な力をですね発揮できたということで非常に意義があったというふうに思っています。
In this way, the Class 395 railcars commenced full-scale operations. In the UK, it is urgently necessary to significantly increase transportation capacity and achieve higher speeds. And so, even more expectation is placed on Class 395 railcars. These high-speed railcars, made in Japan and now operating in the UK, the country where railways originated, are a major focus of attention.
我々が掲げる社会イノベーションというのはやはり環境問題、地球にとって優しい製品、それとグローバルということが大きな課題であります。そういう意味でまさに鉄道というのは非常に環境に優しい製品でありますのでですね、地球環境問題からですね、世界各地でですね、今鉄道へのモーダルシフトといいますか、建設が盛んでありまして、こういう製品を先兵としてですね、7月の掲げる社会イノベーションの機関車的役割をですね、この鉄道ビジネスで果たしていきたいというふうに思っております。
About 1.5 centuries have passed since Japan acquired railway technology from Britain in the mid-19th century. And during that time, this has evolved to the highest level of railway technology in the world, featuring reliability, safety, and highly efficient transportation. And now, these trains are in operation in the land where railways originated, and they are seeking to open up a new age in railway transportation in the UK, the birthplace of all railways. The Hitachi Group is committed to responding to the needs of the age, and it seeks to attain greater achievements in technological innovation and contribute to innovative advances in the global society.